Today I'll be telling you guys how you guys can find and edit your subscribed workshop on Steam. So it's pretty simple. So after opening Steam, you want to click on the library. And once you're inside the game library on Steam, make sure you right click on the game. So I'm going to right click on my game called City Skylines. Once you right click on your game, you can see this option called Properties. Click on Properties, and from inside Properties, you can see this option called Workshop. Click on Workshop, and then you can see this option called Visit Workshop. You want to click on Visit Workshop. And once you click on Visit Workshop, it's going to take you inside the game's workshop area. And from over here, you can see this option called Browse. Click on Browse. And once you click on Browse, it's going to show you all these options, and you want to click on the last option called Subscribed Items. And then it's going to take you to the items which you have subscribed in that game. So this is all the items which I have subscribed in the game, and if I want to unsubscribe from any one of them, I can just click on one of this button over here and click on it and it will be unsubscribed. So that's how you guys can edit your workshop in Steam. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.